Do you want to enable the new voice isolation feature on iPhone that's running iOS 18? Well, this video is going to show you a step-by-step on how you can do just that. Just make sure you watch this video until the end, so you don't make any mistakes. So the voice isolation feature will block ambient noises in order to make your voice clearer during a phone call or a FaceTime call. And in order to turn this feature on, we will first have to be in a live phone call. So I will call a person from my iPhone, and I have to wait for the person to pick up the call. You can call your family member or a friend who is close to you and let them answer the phone. As you can see, the person which I've called answered the call, and I'm in a live phone call right now. And all we have to do in order to enable this voice isolation feature is to swipe from the top right corner of our screen in order to open the control center. Once this is opened, you're going to see this phone controls button at the very top, right under the notch, or the dynamic island on your iPhone. So let's click here. Let's select this voice isolation option by tapping it once, and the feature will now be enabled. The iPhone will now prioritize your voice while reducing the ambient sounds around you, making your voice loud and clear during phone calls. That's essentially how we can turn on voice isolation during phone calls on iOS 18 and later. If you have any questions or suggestions, please make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.